What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Shiba Inu today because, as you can see, Shiba Inu is still inside of the same consolidation, and I actually had to make a correction with Shiba Inu for something I said earlier. So let's first get to that correction. So someone actually let me know that it's not 5,000 people that sold out of Shiba Inu. That's actually the 5,000 that are staking Shiba Inu. So I should have thought about that, but yeah, that's definitely right. 5,000 people are staking Shiba Inu, so that shows that we did not lose the people, but we still have people that are angry at Shiba Inu. There's still people looking for the whole trust wallet thing. We still have people that their money has not went through yet, and a lot of people are still waiting for their money to go through. But anyways, I made the last video about that, so you can watch that to see what I meant or what I'm talking about when I'm saying that people are angry at Shiba Inu because their money isn't going through right now. It's too hard to buy it, they say, because they're using Trust Wallet and not MetaMask, and a whole bunch of different stuff. They also, a lot of people are saying the gas prices are really high, so all those transaction fees are making people angry and lots of different stuff. But Shibaswap overall did good on its launch, and we have to talk about the good as well as the bad. So we already talked about the bad, so this video is more about the good. So yeah, as you can see, Bone will be listed onto this exchange right here. So yeah, Bone, remember, you can bury Bone inside of Shibaswap, right? Or not Bone, you can bury Shiba Inu, and you can bury Leash inside Shibaswap for Bone as your reward, right? And that's why it goes to a different wallet, I guess, and that's why the staking is a lot different, right? You put the money in there, you stake it, and it goes all somewhere else, and that's how you get it, right? So that is now confirmed that 5,000 people did not just leave Shiba Inu. 5,000 people pretty much just started staking. So that's what we got there. And that was the one thing with the whole Bone. I wanted to get all that clarified before I talked about Bone. And yeah, this is Bone. And now we are now being listed on MEXC. I don't know anything about this place, so don't mark me on how to say that because I don't know anything about them. But they have 187,000 followers, which shows a lot for their Twitter. I almost said Instagram, for their Twitter. But yeah, this was one of the big things that I wanted to talk about. I really had to clear that up because people were kind of getting mad saying I was trying to spread FUD, but I wasn't, because I just thought 5,000 people came out, because I always watch these holders and I seen it go from 589,000 to 584,000. So I knew something was going on. But yeah, that's exactly what it was. So I definitely thank everyone in the comment section for helping me with that. But yeah, good news there, and good news with the whole Bone thing being listed on this new exchange. Now we just need to get Shiba Inu and Bone on other different platforms, right? And honestly, Binance needs to start doing the whole Bone thing if they don't already, and Coinbase and everywhere else is going to start doing it. And anything that happens for Bone is going to happen for Shiba Inu. So if Bone starts going up for some reason, Shiba Inu is doing the same, and vice versa. That's what makes this so good, right? It makes it such a good deal right here. So anyways, here is Shiba Swap, and yes, you can bury your tokens. And like I said, it does not show whenever people leave and bury their tokens. It does not show up on there. It just shows that they left and completely sold out. So that's where I got that wrong at. But anyways, Shiba Inu. So Shiba and the DEX Shiba Swap surpasses 1 billion, almost a trillion. But yeah, 1 billion inside 24-hour trading volume for the last 24 hours for this launch. Like, that's a whole $1 billion that was made in Shibaswap, just transferred and then traded. Like, that's huge right there. Like, $1 billion off of this one launch. So some people are saying that this launch was disappointing, but $1 billion in 24 hours, that's a lot of money. And just imagine all of that going all into Shiba Inu. Just imagine everyone inside Shiba Inu just going on Shibaswap and purchasing through Shibaswap exclusively. The same thing with Bone. Same thing with Leash. Imagine people just staking in there exclusively with Shiba Inu and Leash. So this is going to help the price of Doge, not Doge. This is going to help the price of Shiba Inu. I said Doge because of this thing right here. It says Dogecoin has proven to the world that even a project that started as a joke can gain value and notoriety, which is exactly what Shiba Inu is doing. So they're saying Shiba Inu, the latest one, blah, blah, blah. They're kind of just talking about Shiba Inu here. And then they say over here, excitement in the Shiba Inu community was ignited on July 6th, because now that we got Shibaswap, and now Ethereum gas fees had been near unprecedented lows since the Berlin upgrade, but the launch of Shibaswap resulted in a noticeable uptick inside of gas costs, and pretty much those are transaction fees, a phenomenon highlighted by crypto Twitter trader John McCann. So this is kind of crazy how Shibaswap literally just jacked up the gas fees for Ethereum, and that is really weird right there. That's just wow. Like, everything is happening so quick right now. Honestly, Ethereum 2.0, when it starts to roll out, you know, it's probably going to have a little less of a correlation like that. But anyway, let's keep going over this. Shiba Inu coin, Shiba launched their decentralized exchange, blah, blah, blah. Joe McCann. Who is Joe McCann? I don't even know who he is, but he has a blue check mark, which means he's important on there, right? So if he said, if we check Etherscan, you can see Shib on number 3 of the gas guzzlers. So Shib is the number 3 gas guzzler. That is huge right there. And they actually show you all the other gas guzzlers of the Bitcoin or the crypto space. When am I just stuttering? But yeah, Tether's got those gas prices they got there. They got the 4th one here with you know, probably the same thing. But yeah, all these gas prices for Shiba Swap, you can see Shiba Inu token. So yeah, honestly, I guess we're up in gas prices, guys. I mean, Shiba Army, like if you can't beat them, join them. So they got to join the Shiba Army if they don't want the gas prices to continue to go up. They're gonna have to join the Shiba Army. But yeah, if you can't beat them, you're just gonna have to join them. But yeah, this is all I really have. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Just trying to give you guys updates and trying to give the correct information, because I was wrong about the holders, because the holders did not sell out. There just wasn't 5,000 people that just disappeared. It's what I thought. So this was something big that I had to just correct there, because then people will start selling out, and I don't want to spread any FUD about that. No FUD at all. But anyway, Shiba Inu is actually doing pretty good compared to a lot of the other stuff. I mean, it's 2.54%. You know, it's not that bad. 1.83% now in the last 7 days. So it's not that bad that we're down that much. And then you look over at Dogecoin. I mean, I love Dogecoin, but 8.46%. Now it's at 7.72% in the last 7 days. Like, that is bad. Like, Dogecoin down. We got Ethereum up though, and then we got a Polkadot up. We got over here Uniswap. We have a lot of different things that are up. Cardano is up. Binance Coin up. But then we have Dogecoin down 7%. And we have Shiba Inu down a whole 1.17%. And it's seeming like the meme coin thing is kind of dying out. But that's why Shiba Inu just now transfers from a meme coin into an actual crypto with actual use cases and an actual exchange behind it. So the whole meme coin phrase can just get thrown out the window for Shiba Inu. Now, honestly, Dogecoin will probably always be looked at as a meme coin, because that's how it started and that's kind of how it's going. And Shiba Inu was started as a meme coin, but they always had the intentions to break out of that and become greater. You know, Shiba Inu, the whole Shiba Army community always wanted the Shiba Swap to come out, always wanted the staking options to come out, always wanted all that stuff to come out, because that's what makes a true investment and a good investment, a solid investment, really. So when you think about Dogecoin, you know, the Dogecoin community, I'm in the Dogecoin community too. I'm in both, and I'm sure you are in both too. But another thing that's prevalent inside the Dogecoin community is they're really not that serious about it. Like, Dogecoin isn't too serious. Like, you just do memes and everything 24/7 on Twitter with Dogecoin and you'll be good. And, you know, people buy Dogecoin for fun. People buy Shiba Inu for investing. So it's kind of cool to see how Shiba Inu is like breaking out of that space. And then Baby Dogecoin is like the mixture between both of them, because Baby Dogecoin, you can every single 5% transaction for everyone selling Baby Dogecoin, all those transaction fees are going to all the holders. So that's a really sound investment. So they're like the bridge between the meme and the realistic investing. So it's kind of cool to see how it's evolved from Dogecoin to Shiba Inu to Baby Doge. So we might see a Baby Doge swap in the future. I mean, maybe anything can happen. But honestly, yeah, everything's going good inside the crypto market. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm just following all these cryptos, and I'm making sure that I do the best kind of research I can, because that is what's going to help everyone out in the end. But yeah, anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.